And thunderstorms, yes, will move back into the forecast later on today, and it brings the possibility for some severe storms as well. Now, a handful of hours ago, the Storm Prediction Center actually upgraded our risk from a level 1 to a level 2. These areas in yellow, meaning scattered severe storms, and that isolated severe risk now encompasses more of northwestern Minnesota. In fact, almost all of our counties in northwestern Minnesota. Then for Saturday, we're looking at isolated severe storm chances, and then again on Sunday, isolated severe chances for our entire region. So becoming more active into the weekend. But some good news, the wildfire smoke continues to move out, air quality continuing to improve. Out in eastern Minnesota, still some unhealthy air for all groups of people. The air quality alert, few counties no longer included in that, a few more still remaining in effect until later on this evening. Temperature wise, it's a little muggy. It's going to be warm. Temperatures in the mid 80s across the region. We turn up the heat even more into the weekend along with those storm chances. We'll detail what you need to know coming up in just a few minutes.
All right, you got it. Thanks, Summer.
Good Friday afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. Let's get a check of your first alert headlines. First of all, we've got several storm chances in the forecast. The first is going to arrive later on tonight with isolated to scattered severe chances. Into the weekend, we're going to be warm and muggy with additional chances for storms, some of which could again be on the strong to severe side. Next week, less active, fewer chances for rain, and temperatures a little bit cooler as well. Let's detail out the storm chance for isolated severe storms. Storms will be capable generally of large hail and damaging winds. However, tornado chances can't be ruled out. Overall, it's a low tornado risk. Areas highlighted in green, looking at no risk, those areas in black. When it comes to the wind threat, there's an elevated potential for gusts to 70 in parts of east central and northeastern North Dakota. Isolated damaging wind threat highlighted in brown. And with the hail threat, an elevated risk for ping pong ball size hail in yellow. Isolated risk, those areas in brown. So let's take a look at the timing. We're quiet through this afternoon. A little bit of a breeze, though, out of the south. That's helping to bring in some warmer air and more moisture, too. You might notice the mugginess in the air today. Otherwise, mostly sunny until later tonight and into the overnight hours. This is about 1 o'clock in the morning, seeing those storms moving into eastern North Dakota, eventually evolving into more of a wind threat into Saturday morning. Those storms then exit. We'll see a bit of sunshine for your Saturday afternoon. Isolated showers and storms along the international border. And then tomorrow night, we see more storms roll through. Looking at, again, that level 1 out of 5 risk for tomorrow. Right now, it's looking like quarter-size hail and gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Then on Sunday, our entire region is currently under a level 1 out of 5 risk, but we're looking at scattered storms. So let's take this timeline further. So we left off Saturday evening. This is 11 p.m. Storms continue to roll in during the overnight hours. Still a few into Sunday morning. And then by the time we get to Sunday, late afternoon and evening, looking at additional storms to develop. So a couple chances throughout the day on Sunday. Some areas could also see some heavy rainfall in addition to the severe threat. So this is today through Monday. So all of our rain chances. Areas in the yellow to orange, that's about 1 to 3 inches. However, those isolated heavier thunderstorms, especially if your area sees more than one roll through your region, that's where you can see those locally higher amounts. Temperatures for today looking quite mild, mostly clear sky, looking at our Red River Valley Fairgrounds camera there. But then overnight, we have those storm chances. Temperatures this afternoon generally going to be in the low and mid 80s. A few areas like Roseau in the upper 70s. We kick off our Saturday.
70s, 80s, some storm chances tonight. Sounds like a good movie night.
It does.
Yeah. So, and Happy Gilmore 2 came out on Netflix today.
It did. Yeah. Perfect. Plans are made.
Yeah. Thanks, Summer. Well, straight ahead.
The weekend is almost upon us. Stay weather aware tonight if you've got outdoor plans, as we'll have storms later on tonight and into the overnight hours. For tomorrow, another storm chance again later in the day. after a hot and humid afternoon. Temperatures approaching 90 degrees. Still muggy on Sunday with another chance for storms around in the morning and then another in the afternoon and evening hours. Warm still on Monday, 85 degrees, couple of morning showers and storms, and then we clear out and we're generally quiet the rest of Monday through Friday. Next weekend may bring a chance for a shower or storm, but nothing is looking organized yet.
All right. Well, thanks, Summer.
Yeah.
Hopefully it'll be a good weekend.
Hope so too.
That's all the time we have at noon. Have a great rest of your Friday.